This is the video for the fifth exercise we are going to do using SketchUp. In this video we are going to try a new tool, which is the tool Follow Up, which is similar to the tool Push or Pull, but this time instead of giving volume to a plane surface in a perpendicular sense of the surface, it's going to give volume, but following a line we will have drawn previously. So let's start as always. We are going to draw first a cylinder, then a circle, and lastly a cap. So I'm going to start with the base of the cylinder here in the axis. Since the exercise says that it has to be 140 millimeters diameter, I will have to write the half. Remember to move the camera as much as you need. And use the measure tools to make sure we make the right measures. When you are doing a line like this, if the line becomes blue, like it is right now, it will mean it's parallel to this line here, the blue axis. If it becomes green like this, it will be parallel to this other. So since this time we need it perpendicular to this surface, it will have to be blue. And with the tool of rectangles, we are going to draw here the rectangle that we will use to give volume to the entire object. And now we are going to use the tool. If I try to use the push or pull tool, I see it only gives volume in one direction. But if I try to use the follow up tool, I will give volume, but following up this line of the circle. So I click here, and then you see as moving it is completing like this. Now let's check if it is made properly. I will have to erase this part of the circle because I no longer need it. And to complete this hollow space that has been left here at the bottom, I can use any line tools and make two lines like this, or two or three, as much as you need. Once you do these lines, you can erase it, and we see that the surface still keeps. So after that you have to give it color and volume, but you know how to do that, so I will continue. You do that by yourself, and I will continue with the next object, which will be the circle. So first I'm going to continue the circle in the red axis to don't miss it, and I'm going to draw a line to serve as the reference to the center of the circle. So this line here, I will draw the circle. Since the circle has to need to have 120 millimeters diameters, I will have to write half of that. And now here from the axis, I'm going to draw first a red line to the upper part. You see that it is blue. It will mean perpendicular to the blue axis, parallel to the blue axis, and this line must have all the diameter of the circle, so 120. And after that, I'm going to pick the arc tool and taking both sides as a reference and give it 60 millimeters radius. After that, we just have to use the follow up tool and follow this line at the bottom to complete it. Remember to make a component and give it volume. I will continue in the next video.